Hi everyone, this is Tara with Rihanna Stark. This is another pick a card reading. In today's reading, we will cover the topic your person's truest feelings towards you. Possibly you're in a love connection and you would want to know what this person feels towards you. Or maybe yours is an unacknowledged relationship and you would want to know this person's innermost desires towards you. So, this reading is just for you. Viewers, please keep in mind that this is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon it, have a look at it because the messages are just for you. Like always, we have two piles. This is pile A, which is the compass, and this is pile B, which is the sand clock. You can also pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. Incidentally, we also have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed directly to your reading, you can do just that. Those of you who picked pile A, which is the compass, certainly you're looking for direction, or maybe this person is also looking for guidance from the universe, or maybe from some person who may considers his benefactor. He wants to know about the future of this relationship. Possibly some of you could also be in a distant or long distance relationship because we do have the compass and you may need to travel to be with this person. I think like the sailor who looks up to the sky while he is navigating his ship. Similarly, I think this person is also looking towards the heavens for guidance. Let's just keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading, pile A, is the Emperor card. I think this person definitely regards you as someone who is quite stable and secure because the Emperor energy is somebody who's in control or who likes to be in control of his life or his situation that he finds himself. He also sees you as someone who's quite mature, quite like a guardian, or maybe you're also taking care of those under you like a guardian. There could also be an age difference in this connection. For some of you, that is what I'm picking up right now. Maybe this person could also be an older person in your life. At times, this could also mean insecurity in the relationship. Maybe he thinks that he doesn't match up to you where looks are concerned. Possibly he thinks that you're somebody who's quite beautiful and you need somebody who can match your looks, your beauty. But you're going to remind this person or you're going to reassure this person that beauty is the last thing on your mind. You're definitely looking for somebody with whom you can share mental compatibility or somebody who's going to be safeguarding you. This person definitely sees you as somebody who's like a protector. Besides, you feel that beauty is skin deep, it lies in the eyes of the beholder. Largely, I think he sees you as somebody who's quite a provider, who's somebody who's willing to take care of everything around. But sometimes, control could also affect this relationship. Maybe you're too dominating as well. So maybe you should have a more cooperative approach or you should also be more open with your feelings. I think this person also sees you as someone who is quite closed off. Possibly you're not going to divulge too much with respect to emotions and feelings. I think he definitely wants you to be more expressive in this relationship. The next card in this reading, we have the Nine of Swords. Like I said, mental compatibility is something which is keeping this relationship growing strong. So he's seeing you as someone who's quite intelligent. You're somebody who's stimulating him mentally. But like I said, there could also be times when he feels that you're not reciprocating. Maybe you should show more love and affection. Nevertheless, I think this person sees you as someone who's quite adventurous or who has the go-getter attitude. I think this connection is also making him a bit stressed out. For some of you, I'm also picking up that this person could be concerned about your health, which could be a factor in this relationship. Oftentimes, he also sees you as someone who's taking responsibility or taking charge of situation. Maybe in this relationship, like I said, you could be the one who's controlling the proceedings. So that is why he thinks that you're the person who is more forthcoming when it comes to taking responsibility when you have to discuss work or things like that. The next card in this reading is Death. Surely this relationship has brought about a transmutation or transformation in this person's life. Your presence has triggered something in him which is quite deep. Possibly some of you could be dealing with a person who has had a past which has a bearing on this relationship as well. I think at times there'll be a flurry of messages which could be exchanged between the two of you, but then there could also be a wall which needs to be broken down. For this relationship to blossom in more ways than one, I think you should let your guard down, or you should wear your heart on your sleeve, and this person definitely wants you to do that. Interestingly, the next card in this reading is healing. Possibly, you need to heal this relationship, or you need to do some healing work with respect to this connection for it to proceed. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be some kind of negative energy. So, like I said, you need to do some aura cleansing, or perhaps you need to balance your chakras so that your emotions are in check, or the two of you need to be aligned. There could be those inner wounds which need to be addressed in this relationship before you can move forward. Like I said, this person may see you as someone who needs to be more open or be more receptive to his feelings and emotions. Maybe you should give this person a patient hearing as well. I think the two of you are also growing spiritually thanks to this connection. 80% of the problems in a person's lives can have their root in the spiritual dimension. That is why I think your angels are asking you to heal yourself, or this person expects you to heal yourself, because that would make you more aligned to his thoughts or more attuned to his thought. Certainly this person sees you as someone who's evolving. Besides, the purpose of our soul's journey is to heal and to learn the life lessons that we need to learn, and possibly this person sees you as a catalyst in his evolution. We do have this card, you get me like no other. This person certainly recognizes that you understand him, or you can comprehend him perfectly well. Like I said, there's mental compatibility because we do have the swords energy. So both of you are aligned when it comes to your thoughts. Maybe you're discussing the same ideas, or you're bouncing ideas off each other when you're discussing things. We did talk about this person requiring guidance, and possibly this person is turning to you when he is in the doldrums. From Lenormand, we do have this card, mice. Sometimes, this relationship causes stress because we also have the Nine of Swords in your reading. I think not being able to communicate with each other at times could also lead to anxiety of some sorts. Perhaps this person thinks that you shouldn't get attached to the outcome. Maybe you should try and see that nothing is necessarily good or bad, and it's all part and parcel of this relationship. Possibly, healing can help the two of you understand each other even better. For some of you, could also be that financial issues could also take precedent in this relationship. Maybe this person knows you're going to be a provider, but then you're still not stable enough. Or perhaps you want this person to be financially secure and stable as well. The next card in your reading is, I know you're right, but I need to come to my own conclusions. Like I said, you could be having discussions with this person. Maybe there are lively debates as well. So this person may realize that at times you're correct when it comes to decision making, but then he also needs to come to his own conclusions. I think the fact that deep down your person knows that you're right is in itself a good sign. Half the battle is already won by admitting to our mistakes. But of course, this person also wants to come to his own conclusions. Possibly, this issue could also have caused him stress in the past, because we do have the mice card right here. Incidentally, we do have this card, the grass wasn't greener on the other side. So both these cards seem to convey the same message, that you are right, or that he regards you very highly. I think they know that you have showered him with love and affection, which no other person can give them. Possibly the separation or the physical distance is making them even pine for you, or they are realizing this. Distance makes the heart grow fonder. They understand that without you in their life, it would be incomplete. The bottom line is that this person realizes that no one compares to you. I'm just doing what I have to do right now. Sometimes, you need to take a step back and focus on your own self, as this is going to give this person perspective. So maybe he also requires you to understand that this distance is necessary in this relationship for him to come to his own conclusions. In all likelihood, this person is also keeping himself busy, or he's keeping his mind off you. Maybe they are only going through the motions, so to speak, so as not to be distracted. From the romance angel, we have this card, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. This is interesting because right here we have a couple holding hands, and here there's a deep physical connection also, which cannot be denied in this relationship. This person is ardently in love with you. I think the two of you also have the power to revive the passion if it is lacking in this relationship. Maybe the two of you are enjoying those moments and you're inspiring each other creatively as well. It's also possible that for some of you, a creative idea or a hobby could have brought the two of you together. Maybe the two of you are also in the same profession. So, this is instrumental in deepening your connection. Basically, this person's heart is full of passion towards you. Another card in this reading is wisdom. Surely, this relationship has given him something to chew about. We do have an owl over here, so maybe this has made him wiser as well, or you have been the catalyst and helped him become more open and attuned to this relationship or this connection. Possibly, others can miss things, but not you. That is why he sees you as someone who is quite wise, like Athena, the Greek goddess of wisdom. Likewise, I think he sees you as someone who is mature. Incidentally, we did start this reading with the Emperor card, so possibly, again, the issue of you being quite wise is being outlined in this reading. This person and you definitely have to contemplate on the far-reaching effects or consequences of important decisions. Possibly, the two of you need to weigh the pros and cons before deciding about your future together. We do have this last card in this reading which talks about songs. Romantic numbers or romantic songs remind him of you. I think you have brought meaning into his life. Maybe the two of you are also in the music industry, or maybe you write songs for each other. Undeniably, Payali, this person and you have learned from the experience of this connection. Knowledge can help you make a living, but then the wisdom that you do have learned on account of this close connection is certainly going to help you make a life. I think their heart is singing with joy when they are with you. It's also possible that there are signs from the universe which this person can't possibly ignore. We did start this reading by talking about this person looking for guidance because you have the compass in your reading, and lastly, we will conclude this reading by this message which is coming in from the universe in the form of songs. Largely, I think, Payali, this is a very spiritual connection because you're gaining insight, you're gaining the wisdom which is required for your soul's evolution. Many of you may want this person to decide quickly what is it that he desires from you. I hope, Payali, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Those of you who picked Pile B, which is a sand clock, possibly it's all a matter of time when the two of you are together. This is what I'm picking up right now. Maybe there's a physical distance in this relationship, or in case yours is a connection and you want a definite answer from this person, maybe it's a matter of time before he surrenders to the power of love. You should also realize that everything is cyclic. Some of you may also feel that time and love never waited for anyone, so you want some confirmation from the universe with respect to this connection. Let's keep this aside for now. The first card in your reading is the Empress card. Possibly this person has very maternal feelings towards you. He definitely views you as somebody who's quite nurturing or somebody who's quite beautiful. I think you're somebody who's quite a magnetic personality, and this is something which has drawn him to you. Possibly you're somebody who's very genuine when it comes to forming friendships and you want to stay connected with people, or you have that empathetic touch to you. Not surprisingly, I think you're the center of attention. He sees you as someone who is quite bewitching. Possibly you also have several suitors or several admirers vying for your attention. I think this person also sees you're someone with whom he can have a fruitful exchange. Most definitely, you're somebody who's going to match his wits. Interestingly, the next card in your reading is the Queen of Pentacles. Another feminine energy is coming up in your reading. Even if you're masculine watching this, possibly you're somebody who's very connected with your feminine side, or you're somebody who's attuned to your feminine side, or you should respect and honor that gentle side of your personality. This person definitely sees you're someone who's quite rooted and grounded because of the pentacle energy. I think he wants you to hold on to the finances that you have, or maybe you should save for a rainy day. Sometimes he may also feel that you let him down at times. Or I'm also picking up that this connection could also be affected because of outside influences. Maybe there are people around you who want you to put an end to this relationship. Maybe there's a betrayal as well with respect to this connection. Incidentally, we do have surrender. I think this person definitely wants you to surrender to the power of this connection. There's physical attraction as well. He wants you to concede that deep down you love him. Physical intimacy is very vital for this person, and he thinks that with you he can get that intimacy that he is desiring. Incidentally, the next card in this reading is Farewell, but I'm no good at goodbyes. Even if this person wants to pull away from you, it's very hard for him to do so. Truly, the power of this connection is quite strong. The wind can take the balloons far and wide, but then at the soul level, this person can never get over you. That's how deep is their love for you. From Lenormand, we have the card Clover. It's the 4-leaf clover, which is quite rare. It's a lucky symbol as well. Possibly, you have brought in an element of luck in his life. I think there's some opportunity here in this connection which is to be taken, but it hasn't come into a full-blown reality. Basically, this person wants you to make the most of what life presents. Sometimes, the universe is sending small blessings in our way or in our path. So you have to keep your eyes open. Maybe you don't see the full potential of this connection. He definitely wants you to take that chance or give him that chance that he so desires. Incidentally, we do have this card, I Still Love You. I think no matter what, even if there's a physical distance or maybe something has transpired or something has affected his soul, but then he also knows that deep down he cannot wish those feelings away. Another card is corroborating the same thing. I'm more affected than you know. Like I said, something has gone wrong in this connection and this has affected his life, or this person has deeply affected on account of whatever has come about. Come what may, he also knows that a lot of signs are pointing to you lately. Undeniably, there are signs which he can't overlook or which this person can't overlook. Maybe the messages are there from the universe. Possibly there could be some dreams, or maybe there are some songs, or even on the social media there could be some message which he has come across. So these signs are something which he cannot choose to ignore. Like I said, time could be a big factor here. So that is why I think this person is playing the waiting game. This card, past life relationship, is also talking about time. Maybe in a past lifetime the two of you have been together. That is why the two of you have crossed paths in this lifetime. Maybe there's some unfinished business in this connection which needs to be addressed. Certainly this is a soulmate relationship. Again, if you look closely, this person is desiring a physical connection with you. He's always dreaming about a physical connection here. I think he sees you as someone who's quite magnetic, because we did have the Empress card in your reading, which was the first card. He can't seem to pull away from the attraction that is there. As it is a past life relationship that you're dealing with, I think the purpose of this relationship is to heal and to learn. The two of you are definitely learning the spiritual lessons in this relationship. From the Vintage Wisdom Oracle card, we have this card, Union. Surely this person sees you as someone with whom he desires a connection, both at the physical as well as the spiritual level. This person wants to be united with you, even if there's a physical distance in relationship. He knows that this is a past life connection which you cannot ignore. Possibly this is a lesson that the two of you are learning as well in this lifetime. But all things considered, there's something which is hidden and concealed. Possibly this person is wearing a mask in this relationship, or maybe he is also thinking that as you have other options, because you do have several suitors vying for your attention. So maybe he thinks that you're not explicit when it comes to your relationship. I think this person certainly observes that you are somebody who's quite closed off. You prefer to hide or to conceal or mask your feelings. Or maybe either of you is doing this thing. Maybe in due course or in time, everything will come out in the open. Basically, Palbi, this person wants you to be more explicit with respect to your emotions and feelings. Maybe he thinks that you are in denial with respect to this relationship. I think he doesn't want you to keep your cards close to your chest. Even if you have let him down, he does want a union with you. And that in itself should be music to your ears, Palbi. I hope, Palbi, you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.